Here's one for you. I'm burning for you, and this DisOrDat goes great with spicy peppers. My mouth is on fire from eating spicy peppers. Quick, I'm gonna name off 7 foods, and for each one you tell me if ingesting it will reduce the burning in my mouth or make it worse. If it will reduce the burning, press the left arrow. If it will make it worse, press the right arrow. Okay, let's move. Soda pop! Water! Milk! Rice! More peppers! Yogurt! Baking soda! There's still a weird aftertaste. Whew, okay, thanks for your help. That was stressful. You know what helps me relax? Eating spicy peppers. Ow, my mouth!